And welcome back to another episode of Darksouls Remastered. Are you there? He's not. We tried to get to the end of that bridge here without being burned to crisps. And let's see if we can make that. There he is. Am I dead? Maybe I should. Could have been bad. It's a shit. My plan is to wait for him to jump down. So I will run back. He flies off, and in the time he flies off, I will run over the bridge. Don't. Am I safe here? He didn't fly off. Come on. Nope. He did it again. Not nice. I don't know if that's bad. It looks bad. Should I go further? Don't want to find this dude. Oh. Wait, what? Okay, now he flies off. We run. And he should be able to come back if he's still there, right? I guess. Annoyingly enough, it took me an Estus flask. But we are here. Use the basement key. Jump down. Die. That's the plan. Whee! Okay. Now we can go on. I don't really remember. Okay, we are here. There should be a dog. We don't want to fight. We will open up this shortcut up here. Hello, friend. No. I know you are here. But I can jump. Jump. Okay. I could rest on that. I should. I actually should. Rest on that. Not loading. Whoa. Tower bonfire. Can I? Yes. Got 60. Hey! Watch out. Cannot level up, okay. But we now have a shortcut that is way easier to access. We just run in here, kill you, kill no one. That's a bit too much. Can you stop? Yes. You want to? Yes. Okay. That could be it. Is there one more coming out there? Yes. Don't want him in the back. Now we can go. We have a little bit of damage, but we now have a better spawn point. Scary. And we'll go on with our mission. Can we see something here? Not really. I think that is inaccessible down there. I don't know. Never saw that. Is this a shadow of a... Hello? Probably, that should be the bridge with the fire bombs. And the big one is the Dragon's Bridge, and there should be a dog attacking me right now. Hello? Don't go. There you are. Can you please... Whoa! Hello? Oh god. No, not two of them. Didn't kill him. Where am I? Can you fucking... I hate Souls dogs. They're not nice. They hurt me, they make me bleed. There's another one. I know that are dangers here. More than just the stupid dogs. Hello. Yes. Camera. Don't you annoy me right now. Okay, I don't get attacked.
Somebody, please let me out. Somebody, help me. Unlock the door.
Okay.
I'm finished.
Yeah, I will, maybe. That's the second residence key, which is weird. We have a key for house way up there somewhere, I don't actually know. And the same key works in here. Hello, friend. Which one of you talk to me? Maybe not the corpse. Maybe.
Brilliant. You opened the door for me.
I did.
Thank you. I'm saved. I thought I might never escape. I am Griggs of Vinheim, a sorcerer of the school.
Good old
I'm
Griggy.
much obliged for your assistance. Thanks to you, I may now resume my travels.
I will never learn a spell from him.
Oh, hello. I'm fine. I have my source. Besides,
But like he just said, he will go to Firelink Shrine. And could sell some basic spells. I have to think. I think there's a place where you could have already bought basic spells. You just wouldn't be in possession of a wand to cast them. I know something bad will happen. I just don't know where the trigger is. Now I know. Ew, stinky thieves and bandits. Stinky, so stinky. Don't. No. They can hurt you a great deal because they can parry and stuff. They can jump on your back and slice your throat, I think. I don't know. I don't see that animation a whole lot. And I don't want to. Hello? God. There was just something flickering into the camera and I thought I will get stabbed now. Is this blood? No, it's grass. Similarly evil. Hello? Oh. Oh. Dogo! No! Aww, cute baby boys. What are you trying to accomplish? Nothing. That's nice, that's nice. I like that. Someone else? Yes, of course. No. No! Gimme. Okay, undead bullshit. We see nothing. We see even more nothing and something! Okay, okay, okay. Something alive? I don't want to do that right now, but I think I can't go on without doing that right now. And I know there are two of you, so... Fireball. Hey, no! I am allowed to do that. You don't. No. No. Okay. He fall for it because I know you are here. God damn it. Oh, can I? I think I actually can. I can go home. That one I can't open. That's okay. That's okay. And I forgot something. Well, quickly run back. We can fill up our Estus to 10 again. Shortly. But I don't want to fight every single thief or bandit or whatever again. So just run back. Out of fear to get stabbed in the back, I didn't do it right away. But if you don't walk the street down here, but up there, besides those wells, there should be a lot of bullshit. No. More please. Well, I don't want to come. You come here and I will kill you. Don't like that. Die. I know you can damage me a lot from the undead asylum. But I can do too. That could have hurt me. Twin humanity. Was there something else? No, okay. That's everything. And now we run. You have to look out for you. Yeah, I can hear you. Didn't even want to backstab you, but you know, go fly. Here, yes. Hello.
You still have your senses about you. Won't you buy some eye?
Yeah. I buy moss. What can we actually buy here? Blood red, purple, blooming purple musclump. I may buy later. Charcoal, transient curse. You have those? Nice. Rotten pine resin adds poison effect, which I think is not that good for the future, for the immediate future. But it's okay. Humanity purging stone. Okay, I guess I could buy some charcoal pine resin because some enemies don't like fire. I could buy the blooming purple moss, but I don't need it right now. So I want to level up first. I think we can get one level in with 3,800 souls. And maybe with that enemy in front of us, you know where I am. Run, and die. Could have dropped humanity. Hello, friend. Oh, friend is here. Oh, no, don't push me. Dying now would be kind of funny. No. Oh, yes. Thank you. Fire bomb. Let's take me to the bombie shop. Oh god! That's not what I wanted. Please don't die, please don't die, please don't die, please don't die. That's okay. Woohoo! Okay. Everything is fine. There's our little tiny brave mage. Aren't you cute? Aren't you cutie poopy? And now we will just level up. Maybe. Oh, we actually can. We still can. Okay. Yes. What do we level up? I could do vitality now. When do we get our next firekeeper soul? I don't know. Strength. We have a little more souls, maybe 1,000 if we kill those lower undeads here. And the red. Always kill the red. Could give you humanity. Yeah, you like that, right? Humanity. Yum yum. Do you really want to hurt me? Come on. Don't wanna get in firebomb range. Hello. Did he see me? He did. Come on. Yes. No. 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 Don't wanna fall down. Do not want to fall down. It's deadly. It's deadly entertainment. I wanted 1500. Didn't get that. And I have to think, what do I want to buy? I maybe want to buy... Well, we don't need the anti-poison moss clumps with the flowers right now.
Oh,
Maybe we will never need them, but they are extremely good and I will purchase them later. I will buy 2 of you because I could need you in a more immediate future. Thank you, old crazy lady. Yeah. Okay, there should be 2 thieves standing there. No. 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 Okay, your shield does nothing. Like that. Ow. Ow! Ow! And even if it's late in the episode, I could... Forgot about you. Forgot about you. Ooh! No, 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 no. We could still try to die from doggos. What the fuck? No. Okay. We probably will use an Estus before we go through the fog. Are there other guys trying to attack me? Sneaky, sneaky. No, just the dogs, because the other guys wait in their houses. Hello, are you a friend or a foe? Shouldn't there be 2 dogs? There are 2 dogs. There are 2 dogs. I knew it. Is he coming? Oh, you jumped down too. That was a great move from you. Don't want that. I want to kill the stupid dog. Oh! Are you dead? Can you die? Thank you. Let's heal. And then kill the Capibara demon. Okay. You're not that bad. Run. Into the corner of healing. I don't know where he is. He's here. Okay. Come down. Make jumpies. Good boy. I can do that too. Not as good as you, seemingly. Okay. Yeah. Will you jump down? Will you be a jumpy boy? He will. Okay, he can actually attack like that. I can't either. Oh. Don't like that. I hit you. Woo. Okay, first try. I normally don't get him first try. Because those 2 dogs are extremely annoying. And now, for convenience sake, Nice. Nice. But dying 3 times to the gargoyles and 2 times to the Taurus demon. Great job. Hey, I did him first try. That's nice. That's actually nice. Level up. I don't know. What do we need? 3,900, right? We can do that. Let's just use all of you. Oh, that was more than I thought. We can go to strength 30 and then just look out for anything we want. In the next episode we can buy moss clump or more poopy pine resin. I will actually swap you out. Do we have black fire bombs? Yes. Okay, but if you liked that episode, please like, please comment. You can tell me how many times did you need in your last run for the Capra demon, for the Capibara demon. And yeah, I'm proud of myself. I killed him first try. Yay! I'm so beautiful. Well, thank you so much for watching. We will see each other again in the next episode. Bye bye!